Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Topa here, back again in another video today guys. Today I will be joined again by my friend Sreed. He will be in the video today guys. Oh wait, is that him? Oh, it is him. Okay, let me just quickly go in a voice chat with him. Whoa, if it isn't Mr. Sreed, you have not been here for a long time, buddy. You've missed out on quite a bit. As you can see, this nether portal, nether portal right here. And the house.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, I've also made sure you won't missing out. Okay, I did fill in a room for you. Okay. Also brought your dog in.
Oh.
That took me very long. It was very hard. You can change some stuff. I just did this so you have something for now.
Okay. Well, this is nice. Let me see what you have.
Yeah.
Boing.
Yes. Wait. Wait. Did you see an enchanted table outside by any chance? Because there was an enchanted table. I made one as well.
Shh, God. Oh,
Okay.
I don't have anything.
Yeah, I didn't see. Yeah, place that back down, you know. And also, guys, I need to tell you guys something. I have been working and started making a cobblestone farm and a sugarcane farm. Well, this is just the base of it for now, and this is me making it.
Food. I need food.
You need food. There you go.
I need food.
There you go. I gave you food, and that's the last.
I need food.
Okay, wait. So
I need food.
Guys.
I need food.
Bro, I got the charger. You don't want this. Okay. Wait. I will be making this today, guys. I'm just gonna continue it because I'm almost done. And this was my original plans, but I was like, let me just start it off like before we start. What are you whispering over there?
Guys.
Oh wait, I did this wrong. Wait, let me.
Guys, don't say anything.
What are you walking about? Okay, he's doing his own thing. Are you okay?
Guys.
Okay, I really hope this doesn't mess everything up. Where's the water? Wait, oh my days, I just wasted. Okay, I've got a whole ocean. Why am I going specifically from there? Okay, so if I do that.
Doc, yes. We're close. We're close. I will kill your family right now.
Okay, I messed that up.
What? I didn't do anything up here. I don't know. I didn't do anything.
Wait, I forgot how to do this. Hold on. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna quickly double check what I need to do and how I need to do this. Alright, guys, I've just gone back from a quick mining area and I got more lava. So I think I fixed it. I just quickly went in a single player mode and tried again. Okay, and it works indeed. Now,
guys, I wanna go home.
Oh,
I feel sick. I wanna go home.
Oh, I need to make that glass as well. Oh, whoops.
Oopsie daisy.
Okay, I can open these. Oh, you put that. Let me take this.
Bro! Nah, if I don't find home, I'm actually gonna hack this.
What? Wait, what do I need? I need more glass. Oh, I hope. Please say there's more glass in the furnace. Please.
Yo, I gotta go.
Oh. Oh, there's no more. I'll just. I need 2 more pieces, so that should be enough. Also put this in there. I can place it in there. This goes here, and that. You done? Almost.
Almost?
Now it's done. It's gone nighttime again. That's not really good.
I just wanna go home!
Oh, okay. That was something.
I think I'm doomed. I can't find them.
Okay, so let me just quickly mine this for a bit.
Yes, I found home! Guys, hey!
Well done, Alan. Okay. Whoa, look at that already.
Guys, I'm about to blow his face.
What are you about to do?
Oh, ow.
You done?
I don't actually know. I could just kill you and get
Ah!
all the loot for
Jesus,
myself.
you scared me, man.
You scared me, amor. You scared me. You scammer. You stupid Nick.
Okay, wait, I need a slab. Oi, careful.
Doing.
So if you do this, whenever you use it, promise me all you do is just mine straight, okay? Because it's so easy to break this, and I don't want it to break, okay?
Then why don't you just use anything else?
What do you mean anything else? No, as in it's so easy to mess up and then like make lava in obsidian and you just mess up the whole farm. I need to make one more chest, another hopper, and what else? So I need 2 chests.
I'm not gonna lie, this does not work.
Yeah, it does. No, it goes
It
in the
does.
It goes in the chests on the left side.
Oh, so I just gotta mine this overnight.
I mean, I don't think we need that much cobblestone, but yeah, pretty much. Okay, I got this, I got that.
Wait, though,
And I need pistons. What was it for piston? Wood, redstone.
I haven't been recording this whole time.
Oh my days, brother. Well, the people who are watching my channel, I guess if there's anyone from his channel looking at my
Guys,
channel,
I lost all my
that's how
thing
he's
again.
been entering and doing everything. Wait, what do I need more of? Redstone. Okay, you lost the recording. Doesn't mean you
So
have to go
basically, I
crazy.
found this. I found it.
Oh, I need cobblestone.
I
That's what I
found
need.
it. And I found this. I found this. Yeah, I found this.
What are you saying?
Yeah, guys. I wanna kill myself!
This. That's what I need.
And I got this, and we got to home, and yeah. I don't wanna do fighting.
Real
Oh,
quick.
we got this, and
Can
we got
we quickly
this,
sleep?
and we got that, and we got that. Do we do that? Look.
Stop.
I'm so mad! And we
Okay.
got this,
And this is excuse me.
we got this.
So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. Let's get some cobblestone now. Let me place this here. Okay, are you okay? What are you doing? What's going on with you? Hey, stop it. Stop. Wait, stop.
My
Wait, where's my
bad.
sand?
I wanna kill myself.
I think I've placed this wrong. Let me place that. Okay, yeah, that's better.
I mean, I made it
So
all.
that's the cobblestone farm completed.
How do you bomb? Look, guys.
No, I'm gonna just get some cobblestone real quick, and I'll probably come back after I've got like what, a couple stacks. Yeah. Alright guys, I just finished mining quick and I did a lot more than I expected. I got, yeah, like just 2 stacks and a bit. Okay, that's good enough. So on here, what else do I need? Oh yeah, also I made the other pistons. So what I need now is to place the sugarcane. Oh, I did this wrong. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I placed these wrong. I need to place them 1 row backwards because this is where the sugarcane goes. So I'm gonna do over here. Also, Sneed has logged off because most of his recordings kind of didn't record. So yeah, he will probably be back tomorrow, but today he won't be posting because nothing really got recorded. So sometimes. So I got that, and now I need an observator. Okay, so what do I need? Cobblestone, quartz, and redstone. Should have everything. It was this, and this, and where's there it is. So I need 8. I'm pretty sure. Boom, boom. Oh, what is going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. So this should be it for the whole sugarcane farm, really. I think so, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh wait, I need to connect them. Oh, I forgot how to do that. I think I just need to put redstone down here, I think. Let me just test it. Oh. So if I do this, no. Okay. Let me see, does it get the option? No, I need to place this the other way around. Okay, there we go. And that did it. If I do this now. Okay, there we go. Let me just turn all of them around. I don't only need one, but at this point I've already done it, so yeah. Oh, that's not facing the other way. Okay, so test. Oh, lovely. Okay. Now let me just close it in. Oh, some water got out. Let me just do this real quick. Okay, I didn't need. I'll just go back to the table down there. We'll need one anyways. Let me just make a quick double chest. Okay. Okay, now I just need to cover up really. I'm also gonna use some of the shroom lights I got yesterday. So let me just quickly empty some of my inventory and get some of it. So this is I need the cobble, but I'll give myself 1 bucket. Oh, I don't need all of these buckets. Okay. And I'll keep the cobble. And let me take the shroom lights. Oh, let me just quickly sleep as well. Why? Okay, I think we did that. Okay, let me sleep real quick. And then we'll do the last touches to the farm. What did he do? No. Don't think so. No, he didn't. Okay. And let's just put some light down. So I think I'm going to do one in the corners. Like that and that. Wow, that really brightens up the place. I'm going to do this as glass, so that I want to be able to see in it. It's going to go above as well, so this, yeah. And I think the top, yeah, the top would be the cobblestone. It's like a big window in the middle. So this is going to go all the way up to here. Oh, speed bridge. Okay, that was horrible. And I'll just do this as well. Why not? I'll change this up. I'll just get some look so it doesn't look like it's floating in the air. Okay, that's a bit better. Now let me just do this. Oh, it's wait, one more to the side. Whoopsie. Over here, so this, oh, this is complicated now. I need to do this, but then that's not gonna, okay, it's okay, it's gonna work. I'll just do that part, do this, that, do that, okay, how come I don't reach that? Give me that. Oh, I need to fill in the top as well. I don't think I have enough. Oh my days, I'm missing everything. Okay, yeah, I can have enough. But it is coming along. So let me make a shovel. I'll get some. Wait, let me also mine these trees because I need charcoal. And I'm not gonna go looking for coal right now. So I'll just use this trigger, and I need to get rid of these trees anyways. Okay, let me just I got 12. Let me do this one, and then no, that's 10 already, so that should be more than enough. What else do I need? Oh, I can get rid of this sugarcane. I don't want more trees around here. I can just collect all of this now. Okay. Oh yeah, a shovel. I need to make a shovel. Let me just wait. I already have glass panes. Let me use that. Silly me. Yeah, I got a stack in there. I knew. Just break that. We don't need it. Okay, this is nice. Oh, I hate this part. Okay, that looks nice. Light, cobblestone, and glass. Oh wait, no, it's not gonna go there. Let me just get like a few pieces. That's all I need. Yep. So, oh, this is complicated. Okay, I'll just do like, I'll just do that. That looks bad. Oh, that looks bad. Oh, replace that with cobblestone. Okay. So, it's not that bad. We've got everything working now. And then we just check the sides and everything. Oh, I need a roof. Okay. Let me empty out my inventory. And I'll just come back after I've gotten the cobblestone. Alright, I think I'll all I need. Okay, so let me just fill this up. And there we go. That is 2 automatic farms, or not automatic, one's manual, one's automatic, in one day. That is good. I might just shape out the terrain a bit, but that's just something I'll do like off like recording. Almost gonna get rid of these trees, but yeah, that is probably gonna be it for today. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. We had another good episode today guys. We did one automatic farm, one manual farm, a cobblestone farm, and a sugarcane farm guys. That was good for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and that's it for me. Peace.